Well, it's a very fine moment that at this very time, meeting all the vice chancellors one time, you see. But I must thanks the technology of this, your people, your universities, that I sitting here in Raj Bhavan can have a look. आप सबके दर्शन एक साथ करने का this technology has given me an opportunity. Accept my salutation, you see. As far as this invisible virus, from which place it has come, why it has come, so I should pay my thanks at least for this opportunity that I am meeting all the Vaishnavas at one time. But simultaneously, from this epidemic, we are going to learn what is the difference between knowledge and wisdom, the difference between motion and stillness, the difference between speech and silence, the difference between technology and theology, the difference between excellence and elegance, the difference between the outer space and the inner space. All of you, my friends, I have been listening to you talking about the impediments, the implications, and then their implementations, motivations, research, innovations, multidisciplinaries, institutions, etc. Everything. So many things you have talked of. As far I have noted down, you say, transformations, diversities, autonomies, etc. Everything was there. But as far as my observation goes, I am placing 2-3 questions before you. Just like you have put certain questions to me, or to the central government or the state government, similarly I have certain questions in my mind also. जब हम बच्चे थे छोटे से, तो एक बच्चे गीत गाते थे हम सब लोग मैंने, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी, हमने इसको बस में किया है. I am the architect of my own fate. The universe is within me. I breathe infinity, soar into eternity. I am a soul in a different guise, in a different body. I am a divinity on this earth. हम ये पढ़ते थे, सुनते थे. Well, does my NEP, which is rooted in Indian ethos, it has this much in its womb, you see. To inculcate this spirit, should there be endeavors? Should there be efforts? Should there be something within us which can impel, which can force the purification of the self? You can say it is a resurrection, you can say it is resurgence, you can say it is a renaissance, you can say it is realization, you can say it is the liberation of the self. But in fact, it is the purification of the self, simply means to perceive oneself in others as own self. That is the need of the hour. Internationalism is just nothing else but the natural evolution of the enlightened nationalism. I am fascinated by Vivekananda ji when he recites one verse, you see, continuously, and that verse is particularly targeted to the students who have forgotten themselves what they are. their forgetfulness of the fact that they are from the divine, to unite with the divine. That is the definition of the youth. That is the definition of that the university and universe and universal mind, zero, God and infinity, these are interrelated. And Vivekananda would say, Kalaivyam masam gamah partha, ne tat tavai upapadyate, chudram hridyam dorbalyam tyaktva utisht parantapaha. That is what you have been saying, you see. Don't yield to unmanliness, be a man. Forget about, leave this shallowness, hollowness and narrowness of the mind. You are a global citizen, you see. You stand up like that. That is what you are calling multidisciplinary institutions, the colleges, foreign universities coming to this place. Our university is going to foreign lands, you see. Students coming from outside, you see, meeting, understanding, welcoming, respecting, and then complimenting each other, you see. That is what we have been saying in the words of J. Krishnamurti. It is very simply said, pathless path. No narrowness, no shallowness, no hollowness, pathless path. Our path is very simple, you see. It is just like, in the words of Honorable Prime Minister, we are moving into the world with a flower pot in our hands, you see. It is emitting fragrance to the doves and the ravens, to the believers and to the non-believers, to the dead and the living alike, you see. Let there be thousands and thousands flowers of any country, you see, and let them bloom and let them give fragrance to each other. What is that autonomy? We want the autonomy of that particular child, pilla. Usko kaun batayega कि तुम अद्भुत हो, अनुपम हो, अद्वितीय हो, असीम शक्ति, असीम सत्ता से आनंदित, आलोकित, अमृतस्य पुत्रा हो, अनूठा, विराट, विस्मय, रहस्य हो, बियॉन्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन यू आर. You are the most resourceful power on this earth, east, west, north, south, below the earth and above the earth. That is what is to be told. That is what this new education policy is. No shallowness. Vivekananda would always say like that. That is what Lord Krishna says, Uddret Atman Atmanam Atmanam Avsade. Your soul, you yourself are the friend and you are the enemy, you see. Appa Deepa Bhav, that is Buddha says, you see. Atam Vatsara Bhuteshu, that is what the Shruti says, you see. Therefore we say generally, you see, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. That is what the NEP is. It is not confined to India, you see. This NEP is a messenger, harbinger, ambassador. Our student of this India, that is Bharat, will be an ambassador to the world at large, you see. We are not confined to our frontiers are not fixed. They are, you see, just like a soul which is a circle and doesn't know any circumference, that you can say like that, you see. I am concerned as far as the autonomy is concerned, I am concerned, and I was reading a poem when I was a student, you see, the poem by Tennyson, you see, the brook. The people may come and go, but I go on forever. Let the advisors, the intellectuals, the administrators, the farmer and the merchants, the servitors and the workers come to my place, quench their thirst and let them go. But I will go on forever. Charvaiti, Charvaiti. That is the mantra, you see. Should I place this question before you? Can't we listen to the inner voice of this virus, you see? For the last 8 months, we are perplexed, nonplussed, stunned. Everybody is, you see, almost in fear, you can say. My education should be devoid of all this glitter of intellectual diplomacy. It should be devoid of the fatalistic instincts and egoistic calculations. But simultaneously, my education should provide me fortitude, forbearance, forgiveness. All these things should be injected in me, and no fearlessness, no fear, no ignorance. Nothing of this sort should be there, where the mind is without fear and the head is high. That is what we have been studying, you see, Rabindranath Tagore. Now can I say, can my country say, now the people of this country or the child of this country is without fear. Yes, he is without fear because he doesn't know fear. What is the fear? But my education may not fill his mind with fear. That is what I want to say. Because if in 64 days a child who was grazing just cattle, you see, जो जंगल में पशु चराता है, बांसुरी बजाता है, 64 डेज में संदीपनी के आश्रम में 64 कला संपूर्ण 64 लेवल्स ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, पत्ता फड़फड़ा रहा है, हर्ब क्या बोल रही है, एनिमल क्या बोल रहा है, बर्ड्स क्या बोल रहा है, किस जख्म को कैसे ठीक किया जा सकता है, हर्ब्स का हो, पशु का हो, पक्षी का हो, मनुष्य का हो। आप 10,000 किलोमीटर पर बैठे क्या सोच रहे हैं? ये अनहद नाद, क्या मेरी एजुकेशन मुझको उस अनहद नाद सुनने के लिए क्या मुझे ये कर सकती है? क्या मेरे अंदर ये स्पिरिट भर सकती है? एनईपी का ये तकाजा है। I was some vice chancellor perhaps Hota was talking about, and some other professors were also talking about Ayurveda and this inner technology, etc. They were all talking about all these things. Yoga is greatest than prem, you see. Well, it's a union with the soul with the super soul, you see. You can't divorce the wave from the ocean. You can't divorce the fragrance from the flower. You can't divorce the sunshine from the sun. In the words of Honorable Prime Minister, my education should be of sunrise technology. सुबह के सूरज मैं उगाता हूं खुद, केवल चिरागों के सहारे में जीता नहीं। लैंप प्रकाश दे सकता है पर उसे उठा के ले जाना पड़ता है, पर सनशाइन तो धूप देता है, सर्वत्र देता है। जब बिल्कुल पिच डार्क को तब भी देता है, तो मुझे धूप भी चाहिए और मुझे प्रकाश भी चाहिए लैंप का। Simply talking about the prakash, simply talking about the technology, अर्जुन को कहा भगवान कृष्ण से ये शस्त्र प्राप्त करो, इंद्र से ये शस्त्र प्राप्त करो, but reins of the chariot is in my hands, you say. यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्ण यत्र पार्थ धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूति ध्रुवा नितिर मतिर्मम. Should I place this question before you? Won't there be a blend of these two, so that the total world, this total tiny speck of cosmos, pretty petty world, should be one, the spirit of oneness, one force, one reality, one truth. That is the purification of the self. That purification of the self, that is what we say this NEP is. It is rooted in Indian ethos, new non-dualistic philosophy it is. विभेदों में जो अभेद निर्माण करती है, विभिन्नता में अभिन्नता निर्माण करती है, इनकॉन्सीविएबल वननेस एंड डिफरेंस के बारे में जो बात करती है, दिस होल वर्ल्ड इज माइन, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, ये हम ही ने कहा है. The countries, the worlds have seen, you see, the most robust economies and the most advanced democracy, say South Korea. But as far as the conduct is there, you see. So I was reading when in South Korea was delivering the convocation address. I was reading the statement of the President KNS. Would like to have a dialogue only with those countries who have the scientific background, etc. This and that. New education policy speaks very vividly, clearly, that there should be chammata, capacity and capability, that is progress, but there should be आचरण also, elegance भी होना चाहिए. क्षमता रावण में भी बहुत है, क्षमता चाइना में भी बहुत है, पर आचरण कैसा है? क्षमता कर्ण में भी बहुत थी, क्षमता भीष्म में भी बहुत थी, दुर्योधन में भी बहुत थी, बट आई वॉन्ट क्षमता प्लस आचरण। सुभाष की चाहिए, भीम की, डॉक्टर की चाहिए, क्षमता बिजू पटनायक की चाहिए, क्षमता गोपबंधु की चाहिए। कितने गिनाए, अरविंद, दयानंद, विवेक, कितनों की गिनाए क्षमता और आचरण। कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी में किस प्रकार का एजुकेशन? क्षमता प्लस आचरण, that should not that be the main criteria, the main basis as far as the universities are concerned. That is what I think, or I have got the ideas I am placing before you. सबके आपके दर्शन एक साथ करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। आप सबके बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ, पुनः पुनः धन्यवाद करता हूँ आपके विचारों का जो भी आपने रखे हैं। वी विल सेंड ऑल दिस टू द ऑनरेबल President of India, Prime Minister of India, and the state government as well. Again, I thank you very much for your coming this in video conferencing and having an interaction with all you. Thank you very much. Jai Utkal Janani.